Welcome to this tutorial on creating a 12-point symmetry design in GeoGebra. This tutorial is similar to the tutorial on creating a 6-point symmetry design, but along with that I am going to show you some shortcuts. So just like with the 6-point symmetry design, there's some mathematics involved. If we start with 360 degrees in a whole circle and divide it this time into 12 parts, each part will take up 30 degrees of that total circle. And the process is the same as the 6-point symmetry design. We will use the rotate object around a point by selecting the object, selecting the center, and inputting an angle. So I'm going to set this up just like I did in the 6-point design. This time, to make a different design, I am going to choose circle sector as my shape. So I'm going to draw a small sector here. Now, for the first object, I'm not going to use a shortcut. So I'll follow the same process of rotate object around a point, select the object, select the center, and enter the angle, 30 degrees in this case. Now this is where the shortcut comes into play. The first time I rotated 30 degrees and copied this once. For the next, I'm going to copy both of these 60 degrees, so you can see that both of these will copy to 2 more over here, and that's going to take some steps out of this whole thing. Instead of doing this another 10 times, I'll only have to do this a few more times. So I select both of those objects to make sure that they're both inside of this selection rectangle. I click on the center and I enter the angle. This time 60 degrees. Now I have 4 objects. Now if I repeat this again with all 4 objects and rotate 120 degrees, I will end up with 4 more for a total of 8. So same process, rotate around point, draw a box around the objects, making sure that all 4 of the objects are inside of the selection rectangle, then the center, and this time 120 degrees. Now I have 8 objects. Now I need another 4 here, so I'm going to repeat the process, rotate around point, make sure that I select all 4, they're inside of that rectangle. If I miss one, it's not going to work. And the center rotation and 120 degrees. Now I have 12-point symmetry, and I can change my design by moving the control points and create different designs very quickly and with a lot of fun.